How to utilize my time effectively. Welcome back to my channel for personal finance and money matters. Remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I will upload video very frequently. Don't waste more time and let's dive into time management. Hi, my name is Luis, your financial educator. If you have been following my work, then you know that I used to upload 2 videos on YouTube every week and that I'm in a challenge of uploading video every single day for 50 videos. And as per this video, I still have 31 videos to go. Not only video shooting, I'm also doing personal finance consultation to my clients, helping people to make investment. I'm also running 2 live masterclasses every single week. If you would like to learn about mutual funds investment, then click the link in the description box below to attend to my live masterclass. It's completely free. So, Luis, we are doing so many things. Do you still have life? How do you manage your time? The answer is yes, I still have life. I still eat and have coffee at coffee shops. The most important thing is to utilize every second. Here, I will share 10 tips for managing time effectively. Number 1, have a time check. Know exactly how you spend your time. In an office setting, you should know the tasks that are stealing your time. Then you can do something about it. For example, you may be spending an hour on email instead of completing important projects. Knowing exactly where your time is going can help you make decisions about delegating tasks or buying software to speed up some lower level processes. Number 2, set a time limit. Setting a time limit for a task can be fun. In fact, it can be like a game. Some companies actually divide employees into groups, and the group that finishes a project or task first gets a reward. You can apply this principle to any task. Set a definite time limit such as an hour or 2. Then try to finish the task within the allotted time and feel the excitement as you do it. Number 3, use software tools for time management. Technology is more sophisticated at managing time. Various apps even help track employees' time so that you can monitor their check-ins and check-outs. The internet offers a variety of apps and tools, and some are useful for business management, especially for monitoring and accessing daily processes. For many apps, the advanced functions of the paid versions can also give you added control and better user experience. Number 4, have a to-do list. Having a list is always a time saver. If you have a list, you'll never have to wonder what's on the daily agenda or what to do next. Indeed, a list keeps you focused and motivated. Focus on feeling that sweet satisfaction every time you tick off a task from a list. Lists also let you see and monitor your progress. Even if you are surrounded by distractions, your list will keep you on the right track. Number 5, plan ahead. Planning ahead is a critical part of time management. Ideally, you should plan ahead for the week or at least the day before. When you know exactly what needs to get done for the day or week, you'll stay organized and focused. You can break tasks across days to see in advance how much time is needed to complete a project. Even spending just a few minutes planning ahead can transform how you work. Number 6, start with your most important tasks. Do your most important tasks in the morning or do stressful tasks, the big bulk of your work. The hardest tasks, do them in the morning. The reason is simple. You have the most energy in the morning, so you'll be able to tackle the task efficiently and competently. Plus, the feeling of accomplishment at getting the most important stuff done first will make the rest of the day that much better. Number 7, delegate and outsource. You can't do everything by yourself, so cut yourself some slack and delegate. Maybe it's time for you to train someone to do some simple processes in your work or office. That frees you up to focus on the bigger projects or the more complicated tasks. You can even outsource the work to an experienced freelancer and save money. Number 8, focus on one task at a time. If you have chosen to do a task, see it through to the end. Finish it. Avoid doing half work, which means abandoning your current task and doing something else entirely. One example of half work is writing a report, then suddenly checking your email for no reason and writing replies. That's not only bad time management but also bad for your concentration. You'll lose your momentum, focus on the task at hand, and avoid these pitfalls. Number 9, make some changes in your schedule. If you feel more energized at certain times of the day, change your schedule to embrace that. Make the most of your time. Some people are more energized in the morning, while some are night owls. When you choose the best time schedule for you, you'll enjoy the benefits of being able to do more. Number 10. Avoid perfection. Don't let the perfect be the enemy of the good. As they say, avoid overanalyzing everything you do. That doesn't mean be careless, however, do your best, always. But perfection can drag you down, so don't think about it. Once you have finished a task and given it your best, you have to move on. Effective time management is ultimately a result of having the right attitude and commitment to your goals. Software tools can help aid in your time management efforts, and there are plenty of calendars and time tracking devices available to help you manage time effectively. Whatever tips or tools you use your time wisely, but also make time for rest and relaxation to keep you happy and motivated all throughout your life. What tips and tricks do you use to better manage your time, your team, and your family? Leave a comment below. I appreciate so much for watching this. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more contents like this. See you in the next video.